According to recent research, the Asian fruit is commonly eaten in India that also is known as bitter melon shows promise in slowing the progression of cancer, which is the world's second deadliest disease. It has properties that prevent cancer from growing and spreading. First, you should know that this is a popular Asian fruit that looks kind of like a cucumber with warts. Its name is bitter melon, and this amazing fruit has a long history of use in traditional cooking, holding a prominent place in both Indian and Chinese cuisine. Bitter melon inhibits the replication of breast, prostate, and head and neck cancer cells in a petri dish and in a mouse model. For instance, her 2018 paper found bitter melon reduced the incidence of tongue cancer in a mouse model and was the most cited paper of the year for the American Association for Cancer Research's Cancer Prevention Research. Bitter melon versus breast cancer cells. A group of experts from SLU is expanding their investigation into the anti-cancer effects of bitter melon, which has already shown that the fruit can prevent the growth and spread of breast cancer cells. This time around, Dr. Ratna Ray, PhD, a longtime advocate of bitter melon for medicinal use, is looking into how the fruit can help prevent prostate and other forms of cancer. And, Dr. Ray also thinks that what she's uncovering might be duly beneficial in the treatment of both head and neck cancers. Since its extracts demonstrate generalized anti-cancer benefits, provoking apoptosis in cancer cells of many kinds, bitter melon holds great potential in the field of anti-cancer medicine. In this study, Dr. Ray will feed bitter melon extract to mice with head and neck cancers to see if the fruit shows efficacy in vivo. Based on the findings, bitter melon could go on to be the subject of phase I clinical trials in humans, potentially going on to become a first-line treatment for cancer that doesn't involve the use of chemotherapy or radiation. Generally speaking, in terms of cancer, bitter melon acts at the cellular level to stop cancer cells from both multiplying and spreading. Acting upon multiple pathways, including several signal transduction pathways, bitter melon facilitates the body's natural means of eradicating cancer cells on its own, which it does on a constant basis to prevent the formation of tumors. Bitter melon versus type 2 diabetes. I really think that you'll be amazed when we tell you that this amazing fruit is also very useful and beneficial in the treatment of type 2 diabetes, helping to improve glucose uptake in order to relieve some of the burdens of excess blood sugar. Just take a look at the video below to find out more about this. A recent study has shown that bitter melon contains special compounds that activate AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK, a cellular enzyme that helps protect against obesity and diabetes by encouraging the movement of glucose transporters to the surface of cells. This process, researchers have determined, significantly improves metabolic function, thus minimizing the damage caused by excess sugar intake. This means that more transporters on cells' surfaces increase the uptake of glucose from circulation in the blood into tissues of the body, such as muscle, thus lowering blood sugar levels. The researchers also found that bitter melon had a modest hypoglycemic effect and significantly reduced fructosamine levels from the baseline among patients with type 2 diabetes who received 2,000 mg/day.